In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Steam avatar step by step. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner where your username is displayed. Click on your username and from the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located on the right side of the screen. Go ahead and click it. In the Profile Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Make sure you're in the Avatar section. Here, you'll find your current avatar displayed. Steam will give you multiple options. You can choose from point shop avatars, game avatars, or upload your own image. If you want to upload a new image, click Upload Your Avatar and select the image from your computer. For best results, use a square image, ideally at least 184 by 184 pixels. After selecting your image, adjust the crop if needed, then confirm your selection. You can also choose an avatar frame here if you have one from the point shop. Finally, scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. And that's it! Your new Steam avatar should now be visible on your profile.